So I'm working on getting a new bed in today. I went down and got some lumber. I'm just going with treated pine for right now. You start with 1 by 8 by 10 feet long because this bed is 8 feet 1 inch. So a regular 8-foot board won't work. I got the missing rails here. Gonna kind of go through the bed and make sure there's no rust that needs to be taken care of. This is all that's left of the original bed. That's actually, well, it's actually not the original bed. It's an oak bed. It's about 30 years old though, so I'm afraid it's due for a replacement. But with the pine, I'm going to stain it dark and then clean up these bed rails and see what we have from there. So I have one of my old strips here. I'll be measuring in 5/8 and a 1/4 inch down this inside rail. And when I cut the data, it's going to be a little bit. Actually, I have to measure it out, but it's probably about a 1/16 of an inch higher. So there's actually kind of a step into making the bed rail. I'll show you after I get it cut. I got the wood cut. Put one of the rails down just to kind of test fit it, if it's perfect. You can kind of see the groove there, how that fits down in. That's why you run your saw blade first and then cut it out. Just makes it a lot easier. Look at some progress on the bed. I wanted to show you where you can see why you cut one a little deeper than the other. This thing will hook into it. The other one sits flush then. It just kind of latches down into it. We're getting ready to put some stain on it. I kind of stopped video in there for a little bit. I figured I'd pick back up. I got the boards drilled in the bed, bolts in. It took a little finagling to get everything lined up where it's supposed to be. But we're almost there. It's looking pretty good so far. Just have to get it finished up, get it bolted down. So I got the truck bed pretty much all done. I've got a couple bolts left to tighten down. The kit I got from LMC. I mean, they're just standard carriage bolts you can go down to your hardware store and get. But it was missing a couple bolts. But I think it turned out pretty good. I went with the darker stains, is more what it would have had from the factory. I think after a couple rains, it'll probably wash out a little bit. Won't be quite as dark. But these are the original strips. They're just cleaned up. Pretty nice. I mean, certainly a lot better than what was there.